Hi, Azhar here, instructor for the mini course called Keyboard Mastery and Computer Productivity. This course is for the people who use a computer, laptop, and mobile devices a lot. I hope most of them use it daily. And there is one gift for you as well. Well, let me give you the course outline to have a clear picture of what we are going to see. This course contains 7 simple modules. Number 1, Course Introduction. Number 2, Fast Typing and Keyboard Mastery. Number 3, Computer Productive Usage. Number 4, Office Tools or Task. Number 5, Regional Language Input Tools. Number 6, General Tips for Being Productive. Number 7, Conclusion for this course. Let us dive into the course. Module 1, Course Introduction. In this mini course, you will see a lot of helpful tips and tricks to be more productive while using your computer, laptop, and mobile. I will give you a small example. If a person refreshes a computer using a mouse, it takes 2 seconds to do it. Instead, if he chooses to do it using the keyboard by pressing F5, as you know, it takes only 1 second. Okay, let's do simple math. Now if he refreshes a computer averagely 60 times a day, he saves 2 minutes a day. If we multiply that into 30 days, he saves an hour every month. Interesting, right? So if you do 30 activities a day efficiently, then you save about an hour every day. Means you finish your work early every day. Cool, right? Let's jump into the next module. Fast typing and keyboard mastery. Touch typing is a highly important and effective skill for everyone. For fast typing and keyboard mastery, you need to know touch typing. So, what is touch typing? Typing using all one's finger and without looking at the keys, or simply you can say type without seeing the keyboard. I will suggest you a few resources where you will learn touch typing, hand replacement standards, numeric typing, function keys, typing measurements, proper habits, and more. So here you go. If you are looking for an offline solution, then Rapid Typing software is good to go. It's a complete free touch typing trainer tool. Let me give a few more online resources which are way more useful. typingclub.com and typing.com. For ranking and certification in typing, visit ratatype.com. Just explore, choose the one suits you. Now, Module 3, Computer Productive Usage. In this module, I will show you few shortcuts which may be useful to your daily activities in computer. Here the idea is to make you do all activities efficiently and try to figure out the shortcuts for your activities. Let's start how to start a program using the keyboard. Before doing that, I will tell you the benefit. Starting a program using a mouse requires at least 10 to 15 seconds each time you start the application. If you start the program using the keyboard, it's going to take very minimum time or less than 3 seconds. Alright, let me show you. Press start, type few characters of your program name, hit enter. Cool, right? Let's get started. So second, I will show you how to create a folder using the keyboard. Just relate to the refresh and program starting story. We'll show you how to create the folder. Press Ctrl, Shift and N. So you can just give a name and hit enter. So renaming file, press F2. You can just rename it. Deleting a file, just press the delete key onto your keyboard. For right click, there is a right click shortcut on your keyboard. Just press that. For opening the Explorer, start E. For taking the screenshot, press print screen and paste wherever you want. You can paste it in Paint, you can paste it in WhatsApp, you can paste it in any image editing software you want. So recovering the Chrome tab closed by mistake, press Ctrl Shift T. For new tab, press Ctrl T. For closing the current tab, press Ctrl W. For going to downloads, press Ctrl J. Bookmark the sites you access very often. It's very important. So press Ctrl D. And more things you can do. So I give you an ebook containing various program shortcuts useful to you to be more productive. Module 4, Other Office Tools or Tasks. To compress image, visit tinypng.com. For PDF tools like Merge, Convert, etc., you can visit ilovepdf.com. For offline software, you can use pdfil.com. For more kind of conversions like video conversion, audio conversion, image conversion, and more. Okay, you can download Format Factory software. It's an offline software, it may help you. Other productivity tools. For planner, use Trello, Visual Organizer, and Evernote. For writing, you can use Grammarly. So that can help you to check grammar, spellings, etc. Plan your day very wisely, okay? Module 5. Regional language. The best tool I suggest for regional language is Google Inputs. You can type in English and convert it to any regional language you want and copy and paste wherever you want. For mobile, I suggest Google Indic Keyboard. In this also you can type in English and convert it to any regional language you want. Let's continue. Module 6. General tips for being productive. Plan your day. Handle the complex task first. Remember, starting is the hardest part. Give preference for productivity. Conclusion. All the website mentioned in this video is self-explanatory. Just visit the website, it will take you through their features. This course designed only for action takers. Start it right now. Master the art of being productive and using the computer efficiently, and it will save a lot of your time. So touch typing is highly effective skill to be productive in computer usage. Save time and be happy. I hope this mini course was helpful. Let me know your feedback in comments. Share with your friends and family. Let's learn, teach, and grow together.